Done roasting our Peru organic. The Peru is one of our lightest roasted coffees. As you can see from here, it's not a very dark coffee. It is roasted into the second crack, so you're still going to have some nice rich undertones. It's a high grown, organic, single origin, means that it's not mixed with other coffees. We do have other coffees that are blended. We love blends. But in this case, this is our coffee that is a single origin, meaning it's only from the country of Peru. There's nothing else blended in with it. Even though this is our lightest roast, it's still very low in acid. In fact, our light roasts have a lot less acid than even the dark roasts or even the low acid coffee companies. Here's a close-up of our Peru. Now this is what they call a green coffee. This is a coffee before it's roasted. You can see it's fairly uniform as far as organic coffees go. It's a decent sized bean. The screen size around 15 and 16, 1/64 of an inch. So it's pretty uniform when we roast it. It is a nice high grown Arabica. And after we roast it, this is what the coffee looks like. You can see it's grown considerably in size. This is a lighter roast. So that means that there's really not going to be a lot of coffee oils on it that you'll see with our darker roasted coffees. But you can see how the colors are uniform here as well. So all across the board is a slow roast, which means all the coffees, regardless of size, they have time to be roasted thoroughly. Just think of trying to cook different meats. You're doing a patty, a quarter pound, half pound, 3/4 pound, 1 pound. You got to get them all to finish at the same time. That's one of the nice things about slow roasted coffee is you're always going to have a uniform taste. Okay, now we're at the cupping table. You see we've got 40 grams there. The filter weighs 2. We always try to have a uniform brew in terms of weight and water as we're brewing. We're just doing a pour over here. This is like with a $15 Melita and some filters. This is a number 4. We grind it for cone, which is a regular grind. You see the bubble. You can tell this coffee was just roasted just a few hours ago. We've cupped it a few times since then. All of our coffees are cupped before we send them out. As we say, we don't ship it until we sip it. Now the Peru is our lighter roast. You can see there's a lot of tans in here. Not really that much on the dark side like you'd see with our Sumatra or our French roast. The notes in here are really nice notes. This is a very sweet coffee, very smooth. Has a little bit of earthy note in it, some hints of chocolate or cocoa, baker's chocolate, some might say, maybe perhaps a milk chocolate. This is really nice coffee. So nice, in fact, that we use this on some of our signature blends to really give it that nice sweet finish. This is an excellent coffee. The pH on it's between 5.5, 5.7. We're pushing it up to 5.8 now on some of these. We're constantly having these things tested. 100% organic. It's tested, analyzed by a third-party lab. We have all this stuff posted on our website. This is a great coffee to start with if you've never had our coffee before.